Sounds of the alphabet. A, B, C, D. A makes the sound ah, ah, ah. Apple starts with A and makes the sound ah. Apple ah, ah. Apple A, apple ah, ah. Apple. B makes the sound buh, buh, buh. Bear starts with B and makes the sound buh, B, bear, buh. Buh, bear, B, bear, buh, buh, bear. C makes the sound k, k, k. Cat starts with C and makes the sound k. C, cat, k, k. Cat, C, cat, k, k. Cat. D makes the sound duh, duh, duh. Dog starts with D and makes the sound duh. D, dog, duh, duh. Dog. D, dog, duh, duh, dog. A is for apple. Ah, ah, apple. B is for bear. Buh, buh, bear. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Duh, duh, dog. Sounds of the alphabet. A, B, C, D.